So good morning everybody. This is Wednesday 8th of May. So we have fuel today to work. There was no fuel yesterday, so the men are just offloading the fuel from the motorcycle, and we are going now to board the boat. The boat is about let's say 600-700 meters away from here, or probably 800 meters. That is where the boat is. So, but the motorcycle can only go this far. So, this is the first batch of fuel. So they are bringing the other ones so that today's work can commence. They couldn't work yesterday because there was no fuel.